Hello everyone, my name is Subin. Welcome to the Workaround channel. Today we'll be discussing about shared mailbox and doing the practical how we can create a shared mailbox, how we can convert a user mailbox into a shared mailbox. Apart from that, how we can give the delegate access to another resource in order to they can access the shared mailbox. So in order to create a shared mailbox, first of all, log into your admin portal, which is admin.microsoft.com. Then on the left side, we have Teams and Groups option. Here we have few options like distribution list, mail enable, security, and Microsoft 365. But we'll be creating a shared mailbox, so that we have to go to shared mailbox option, and then simply add a shared mailbox. So this is how we can actually add a shared mailbox. So first I'll create a new shared mailbox. And after that I'll show you how we can convert a user mailbox into a shared mailbox. You can name it. I'll name it anything. So once we add it, it will cross-check if this particular email is already present in the environment. If it is already present, then you have to select another unique. So for now there is no issue. Here you can select a domain if you have added any domain. I have actually removed all the domains for test purpose. For now I do have this root default domain here. I'll create one with this. Okay, let's see why it is saying not able to create. Let me try one more time. Practical. Sometimes glitch happens. You can retry and try to create shared mailbox again. It will help. So there we go. Shared mailbox has been created. And in order to check all your resources like shared mailboxes, you can also switch to Exchange. Once your mailbox is created, it will automatically visible in the Exchange admin portal. For Exchange, the URL is admin.exchange.microsoft.com. So I'm in the Exchange, and I can see my mailbox has been created, and here you can see recipient type is shared mailbox, and these are my user mailbox, which is also known as my primary. So shared mailbox has been created. Now I'll quickly show you a glimpse how we can convert a mailbox, user mailbox into a shared mailbox. Suppose I would like to convert this Amazon for a test purpose. I'll just click this part, and then there is a three dot. You will see this option, convert to shared mailbox. Apart from that, we do have a PowerShell command as well, which you can use in order to convert any mailbox into user or shared mailbox. So as you can see, these are the commands which you can run. Set mailbox, and then the identity that mailbox, and you can select the type. Only thing you will need to only text that you would like to change here, that would be this will be shared. That's it. Okay, I hope, I'm not sure if I have shown you how we can connect to PowerShell. I'll show you right now. In PowerShell, you can open any of the version of PowerShell. Make sure it is up to date. I prefer this ISA one. And why I prefer that, I'll show you that as well. So I'll prefer this one because here we get the option in order to save your commands. Okay, and it would be easy. You can simply select and then run it. So let me quickly connect to mailbox. How you can connect to Exchange Online. For those, if you have not imported the module yet, so I'll show you. You have to import the module first. and this would be the command. Okay, once the module is imported, then you can run this one. Once it is connected, then you will be able to connect with Exchange Online through PowerShell. So I'll quickly connect. It will ask for the credentials, and here you will see, once it is completely connected, you will be able to type other commands as well. So wait for a couple of seconds and it will be connected. So now as you can see, you are able to type. That means your mailbox is connected. In order to cross check, you can quickly run a small command which is get mailbox. So you can see all the list. It means that it is completely connected. Apart from that, there is a command in order to get the format list, or I would say a detail about the identity which you have created in Exchange Online or Office 365 admin portal. You can run this command. So I'll run this one and see get mailbox identity. In the portion of identity, I'll put the name of the shared mailbox which I have created, and rest everything is fine. Let's try running this. As you can see, it is giving me the option that it is actually a shared mailbox. Apart from that, if you would like more details, please remove this and then run. Here you get all the information about the shared mailbox, like exchange, quit, SMTP address, and if there is any permission, delegate permission. All the details are here. Also, if you would like to this details in order to analyze better, you can copy and paste into a notepad, and with the use of Control F you can navigate through all the options which is required as per your important. Okay, I can use Control F and I will type quit, so I can see exchange quit as well. Okay, if I want to check like send on behalf, I can see that option too. Right, so this was a quick tutorial about PowerShell. You can connect and you can write down this particular PowerShell commands as well. So now we'll come back to our portal. So now I'll show you how you can convert a mailbox into a shared mailbox. So this one, Amazon Walmart. So yes, I'll quickly show you the current status of that mailbox. Let me get the email address. Evermore. Okay, that would be better. I hope this is the one. Ideally 55. Okay, as you can see, it is currently a user mailbox. Now I'll convert this to a shared mailbox. You can do either this way, convert to shared mailbox, confirm. Alright, it is showing converted. Now let me try running the same command again. As you can see, it is turned into a shared mailbox. Great. Now I will show you how we can add a delegate access in order to, if I want, for the test purpose we have created a practical mailbox. We will be putting some delegate permission, and this particular user should be able to access this resource. So I'll check on this one, delegation, and I will put the memo. Alright, confirm. Great. We'll add here as well. Great. So delegate permission has been given successfully. Now I'll try to access this mailbox. Practical at @5. So there we go. I have already opened my mailbox. Let's try. You just have to click on the top right corner, name initials, and click on open another. And I'll put that mailbox UPN. So far it is not showing. Okay, let's try. Let's cross check the address. It is practical at Atiwala. I believe it is correct. Let's try to access this. There we go. Alright, let's see. Let's check the from address in order to verify once. Let's try bringing it back again. They mentioned sometimes it takes time to get provision as well. Okay, now let's click on mail. I will quickly send a test email just to verify. Alright, I have sent an email. Let's see if I'm able to receive it. Alright, so I have received the email. So this is how you can create a shared mailbox and delegate the permissions as well. And now we can also quickly show you in this video how you can add the shared mailbox in your Outlook client application. Right, so now I'm in Outlook. So usually when we give the delegate permission, you will automatically see that particular shared mailbox has been added. Okay, but if in some scenario, if after adding the delegate permission still you're not able to see the shared mailbox, that means auto mapping is not enabled. For enabling the particular auto mapping settings, you can find the PowerShell command on the Google. Rest, I'll show you how you can add the shared mailbox manually. So here we have advanced option and you can click on add. From here you can put the UPN and then click OK, and then you will be able to add it. Okay, so currently I have already added, so there would be a duplicacy. And also wait, there was, yes, if I click OK, it will going to add, and there would be two folders because one is already added with the help of auto mapping, but this is for all the users who are not able to see the shared mailbox even after getting the delegate access. So I'll click OK and then apply and then OK. Then I will see one more practical. Can you see? Yeah. So this is how we can add the shared mailbox manually, and today we have covered how to create a shared mailbox, how to convert a user mailbox into a shared mailbox, and also how to give a delegate permission and how to add shared mailbox in Outlook client. Please do let me know in the comment if you would like to discuss any particular topic. We will definitely create a video on that particular topic as per your requirement. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching the video and have a good day. Bye.